So over here, you can see that I got 4 web pages right here. And let's say I want to have something like a sub page. Let's say under home, I want to keep home to as a sub web page. In that case, I can click and drag around the page that I want and drop it on the home page that I want to be parent. So I'm just going to click and drag, and you can see that the home is here. And if I were to go on to the menu, you can see it comes as a drop down menu now. So let me just go around over here and create a new page, and let's rename this as details right here and press done. So I can go around and you can see that details is here. You can also go around over here and you can see there's 2 sub pages now. So you can go around onto the 3 dot icon as well and click on add sub page, and then go around and then name the page right here, and it becomes a sub page. You can also go around, click and drag out the sub page to make it a main page right here, or drag it inside another parent page right there. And that is how you can add and manage sub pages inside of Google Sites. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.